Hello, welcome to my recorded classes. So today we are discussing the topic Newton's method for finding solutions of an equation. This is the topic from the course Mathematics for IT. So directly we are going to the topic. So previous recordings, all you remember how to find the solution by using bisection method we are discussed, correct, in 2.1 section. This is 2.2 section. So what is the procedure if you are getting one equation? First we are finding the location of the root or input numbers, then we are doing the code bisection method or Newton's method. From that we will get what is the solution of that equation from that interval, correct, x equal to. This is by bisection method we did already last day. Now the same procedure we need to do. We need to find the solutions of equation by Newton's method. Okay, so how to find the solution by using Newton's method we are discussing here. So the same procedure, if you are getting one equation, we need a location, approximate location or input number, correct. We need an approximate number or input number, or we are calling it as initial approximation for the solution. Okay, we are representing it by P0. P0 means initial approximation or initial iteration or input number. Now from that input number we are finding what is the solution, x equal to how much, by using the second program, that is the Newton's method. Okay, so we will see the procedure how we are doing the Newton's method. So what are the steps, how we are doing this computer program, how it is running, we can discuss here. So we will consider this graph also together. From this graph you can understood more. Okay, then compare with our rules so that we can do the questions easily. Okay, we are not going theory more deeply because already we are explained in the previous classes. Okay, so here we are giving given one graph here, correct. So this is the solution of the graph. That means the point that touching the x-axis. This is the solution. So how to find this solution? Correct? How to find this solution? By using the Newton's method. This is what our question we are doing. So first step what we are doing, we are just to find the location of the root. Okay. So that means we need an input in step 1. This is we are calling the input. Okay, when we are telling in the computer program, we are telling it as input number. So we are taking an initial approximation of the solution. We are calling it as P0 number. Okay, initial approximation of the solution, that is P0 number. So this is the first step we are doing in the graph. See, we are taken one number here, P0 number. This is the P0 number. Okay, whenever we are choosing P0 number, if you want fast convergence or fastly if you want to get answer, okay, it should be near to the solution. Should be the near to the exact solution, correct. This is the solution. If you are getting the close number, we will get fastly the answer from the program. So P0, this is the number. Now what we will do is this P0 number we are just marking on the graph. So it will come here. See, P0 number just mark on the graph here. After that we are just drawing a tangent line passing through the point P0 number. Okay, so this line we are calling tangent line. Okay, tangent line, that means a line passing through the one point, that point of the graph. Okay, a line passing through the point P0 of the graph, that line we are calling tangent line. Now wherever the tangent line touching the x-axis, here it is touching x-axis, correct. This is the x-axis, so here it is touching. Wherever it is touching x-axis, that number we are calling first approximation of the solution, P1 number. So how can we calculate this P1 number from this tangent line is that, okay, so here it is given that step 2, draw a tangent line passing through the point P0, then find P1, that x-axis touching point, this point, correct. This P1 number we can calculate by using this rule, P1 equal to P0 minus f of P0 divided by f dash of P0, provided that f dash of P0 should be not equal to 0. Okay, P1 means just before number. Okay, if you want to calculate P1, start with before number. P1 before number is P0 minus f value at p0 number divided by f dash value at p0 number. Okay, provided that f dash of p0 should be not equal to 0, because if the down number is 0 means that program will not work, correct? Error will come. So this number f dash of p0 should be not equal to 0. Now after that, again I am seeing the graph. See, p1 number we are getting here from that rule. Now p1 point, just mark it on the graph. So where it is p1 coming? So p1, when we are marking, it is coming here. This is the p1. Again draw a tangent line passing through that point, correct? Like this. See, this is the tangent line passing through that point. Wherever it is touching x-axis, okay, this number we are calling the second approximation of the solution, that is p2 number. Okay, p2. So how can we calculate this p2 is, see, this is the step 3, draw a tangent line passing through the point p1, find p2. p2 means just before number, that is p1. As I told you just before, p2 means start with the before number p1 minus f value at p1 divided by f dash value at p1 number, f dash of p1, correct? Provided that f dash of p1 should be not equal to 0. So this is the second approximation of the solution. This process will repeat. Okay, this loop will rotate. Okay, we are going to find what is p2 after that. p2 number, mark on the graph. We are finding what is p3. See, p3 is the number here. Draw the tangent line. We will get p3 here, p4, p5. At last we are reaching this point, the solution point, so that we will get what is the x number here by using the Newton's method. Okay, so generally how can we write the rule? Pn equal to, generally we can write Pn equal to, before number is Pn minus 1 minus f value at Pn minus 1 divided by f dash value at Pn minus 1, provided that f dash of Pn minus 1 should be not equal to 0 for n greater than or equal to 1. So this is the general rule by in the Newton's method. Pn equal to Pn minus 1, Pn before number, that is Pn minus 1 minus f value at Pn minus 1 divided by f dash value at Pn minus 1. Now in this procedure, in this Newton's procedure, always careful this condition. F dash p0 should be not equal to 0. The derivative value at input number, whatever the input number we are choosing, that input number derivative value should be not equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, this input number we need to change. That input number we cannot use in this program. You understood? Okay, so when we are choosing p0 number, always careful, should be f dash of p0 not equal to 0. So this is the idea in the Newton's method. So roughly how can we tell? In the step 1 we will get a p0 number, correct? This is the input number or the input number or initial approximation, correct? Initial value, initial approximation. Okay, we are writing in short how we are doing in by Newton's method, initial approximation. Now from this initial approximation, first we are finding the first approximation, p1 equal to, p1 before number is p0 minus f value at p0 divided by f dash value at p0, correct? F dash value at p0, provided that f dash of p0 should be not equal to 0. Now once you go to p1, you can go to p2. p2 means p2 before number is p1 minus f value at p1 divided by f dash value at p1, correct? F dash of p1. Like that we are continuing. P3 we are finding, p4 we are finding. Okay, lastly generally Pn equal to Pn minus 1 minus f value at Pn minus 1 divided by f dash value at Pn minus 1, f dash of Pn minus 1, provided that f dash of Pn minus 1 should be not equal to 0. So this is the conditions, this is the idea in the Newton's method. Okay, now here what is the important thing is that we need to know derivative of the function. Okay, so for questions doing, okay, I am just telling some functions derivative here for only for understanding the questions. Okay, so just remember these rules. For example, some function I will write here, and what are the derivatives of that function, f dash of x, just we need to know at least this. for doing questions. First, x power n derivative. Okay, you remember x power n means n into x power n minus 1, correct? X power 4, x power 5, like that term derivative, n into x power n minus 1. Now same way sin x, what is the derivative sin x? Sin x derivative is cosine x. Okay, and same way cosine x derivative, what is cosine x derivative? Minus sin x. Now similar way e power x derivative is same as e power x, e power x derivative same as e power x, and lastly ln x derivative is 1 over x. So this basic derivative rule, just remember for doing questions, because in Newton's method we need to find the derivative, correct, in the rule. So x power n x power n minus 1, sin x derivative cosine x. Okay, n x power n minus means, you know, for example, derivative of x power 4. How we are doing x power 4 derivative? 4 x power 3, correct? N into x power n minus 1, reducing 1 power. So 4 multiply x power 3. So similarly we have another rule, sin x derivative is cosine x, cosine x derivative is minus sin x, e power x derivative same as e power x, ln x derivative is 1 over x. Okay, let's start with the questions so that you will understand more. First question, exercise 1.2, question number 1. Let f of x equal to, okay, I am just writing here, f of x equal to x power 2 minus 4x. X power 2 minus 4x. Now, what is the first question we need to do? Can we use P0 equal to 2? Can we use P0 equal to 2 for finding solution in Newton's method? If not, why? What is the reason for that one? Okay, that means this input number, P0 number, is correct or not. Can we choose that number or not? If not, what is the reason? So for that I told you just before, all of you remember that one. When we are taking input number, see P0 number, f dash of P0 should be not equal to 0. Otherwise the program will show error, correct? Down number will be 0, then program will show error. So this is the condition for that one. So this question in the first part, we need to check that one. Can we use this number, P0 number equal to 2? What is the reason for that one? Okay. Then after that in B part, use P0 equal to 3. Okay. P0 number, initial approximation or input number, take 3. After that, use Newton's method, find what is P2 number using 3 digits rounding. Okay, using 3 digits rounding, what is the second approximation for the solution of the equation? This is what we need to do in this question. So we will start here. So starting with f of x equal to x power 2 minus 4x. Just find the derivative first. F dash of x equal to, okay, what will be the derivative of this one? X power 2 derivative 2x minus 4x derivative 4, because x derivative is 1, correct? So 2x minus 4, this is the first derivative, f dash of x. Now we will go to the a part of the question. What is the a part of the question? Can we use P0 equal to 2? Can we use this number as the initial number? P0 equal to 2 is possible or not? So for that, what we need to check, this P0 number just substitute in derivative f dash of x. That means just calculate what is the value of f dash at P0 number, correct? F dash of P0. What is f dash? What is the first derivative? 2x minus 4, correct? Now instead of x, just substitute P0 number, that is 2 number. So we can write 2 multiply x means P0 number, that is 2 minus 4. Okay, you can use the calculator. What answer you will get? Equal to 0, correct? F dash of P0 you are getting equal to 0. Is it possible? It is not possible, correct? Because if f dash of P0 equal to 0, you will not get answer. Error will come because down number will be 0. So this is not possible. So can we use this number? Can we use P0 equal to 2? Is it possible? No, it is not possible. What is the reason we can write? Because f dash of P0 should be not equal to 0. Here it is 0. It should not be, it should be not equal to 0. Correct? So the first part P0 equal to 2 we cannot use. Okay, that is the first part of the question. Now we will go to the second part of the question now. Let P0 equal to 3. Okay, I am doing here in B part. Now we are choosing P0 equal to 3. Okay, P0 equal to 3. Initial approximation 2 is not possible. So taking another number P0 equal to 3. Calculate, find the second approximation P2 using 3 digits rounding. Okay, 3 digits rounding. So we can go to the calculation. So first we are doing P1, first approximation. P1 equal to, what was the rule we are studied for P1? P0 minus f value at P0 divided by f dash value at P0 number. Correct? F of P0 divided by f dash of P0. Okay, after that we need to go P2. Now in this rule, this f of P0 and f dash of P0 we are calculating separately. Okay, because all the calculation we need to take 3 digits rounding separately. So first I am calculating what is the value of f of P0. After that I want to calculate what is the value of f dash at P0 number. Correct? Now what is f of P0? Just write what is f of x here. What is f of x here? X power 2 minus 4x. Correct? So x power 2 minus 4x. This is f value. Correct? Now instead of x, just apply P0 number. P0 number is what here? 3. Correct? So instead of x, apply the P0 number, that is 3. 3 power 2 minus 4 multiply 3. Now you can use the calculator separately 3 digits rounding. That means this number, write 3 digits rounding. This number separately 3 digits rounding. So 3 power 2, 9. Correct? Minus 4 multiply 3, 12. All separately 3 digits rounding. Correct? Here it is integer number, so no problem. Directly we are getting. So 9 minus 12 means minus 3. Minus 3. I hope you understood the f of P0 value. Now f dash of P0. F dash of P0 means first write what is f dash x. See here f dash of x is there. 2x minus 4. So I can write 2x minus 4. Derivative. Correct? 2x minus 4. Now x number replaced by P0 number. P0 number is 3 here. So 2 multiply P0 number is 3 minus 4. Now as I told you, separately 3 digits rounding we need to calculate. First 2 multiply 3, that is 6. Then minus 4 we are writing same. 6 minus 4, separately 3 digits rounding. Correct? What is 6 minus 4? That is equal to 2. Okay. So we got what is f of P0 and we got what is f dash of P0. Now just apply here. Find P1. So P1 equals P0 number is 3 minus f of P0 number is minus 3 divide f dash P0 number is 2. Correct? If you are doing separately like this, there is less chance for getting mistake. Okay. Now again we are calculating 3 digits rounding these numbers. Okay. So what will be the answer? Equals 3 same minus minus 3 over 2, we can check 3 digits rounding number minus 1.5. Now you can add totally 3 minus minus 3 plus 1.5, that means 4.5. This is the first approximation to the solution of the equation P1. Now same way we are going to calculate what is P2, second approximation, because our question is second approximation. P2 equal to. So first we are writing the rule. What is the rule? P2 means just before number P1 minus f value at P1 number divided by f dash value at P1 number. F of P1 divided by f dash of P1. Now as I told you, f of P1 we need to calculate separately. F dash value at P1 we need to calculate separately on this side. Okay. So I am doing here. First I am doing what is f of P1 equals. Then we need to do what is f dash of P1 equal to. Okay. So we will start with f of P1. First we write what is f of x, f of p1, f of x. What is f of x? X power 2 minus 4x, correct? Now instead of x, which number we need to apply? P1 number, because f of P1, correct? So what is the P1 number here? 4.5. So 4.5 all power 2 minus 4 multiply x number is 4.5. Okay. Now calculate by using 3 digits rounding. First 4.5 all power 2. You can check by calculator. 4.5 all power 2. That means 20.3. Rounding is there, correct? 20.3 minus 4 multiply 4.5 means it is 18. Okay. So totally you will get 2.3 equal to 2.3. Now f dash of p1, f dash value at p1 number. So first write what is f dash x. What is f dash x? 2x minus 4. Now f dash of p1 means instead of x we need to replace p1 number, correct? Instead of x we need to replace p1 number. What is the p1 number here? 4.5. So 2 multiply x means p1 number 4.5 minus 4. Now separately calculate by using 3 digits rounding. First 2 multiply 4.5, that is 9 minus 4 same. 9 minus 4 means it is equal to 5. Correct? I hope you are getting from the calculator the same number. Now apply here. So P2 equals P1 number 4.5 minus f value at P1 number 2.3 divide f dash value at P1 number 5. Okay. Now again using 3 digits rounding. First 4.5, that is same, minus 2.3 divided by 5. You can check by calculator. It is 0.46, correct? 0.46. So totally what is the P2 we are getting? 4.5 minus 0.46 means 4.04. This is the second approximation to the solution of that equation. Okay, 4.04. Now this number we are calling the last number, whatever we got, P2 number. This is the approximate solution. We can call it as P star number. Okay, P star number or approximate solution of that equation by using Newton's method. Correct? I hope you understood this question, how to find the first approximation and the second approximation by using Newton's method. Okay. Now we will go to the next question, second question, same model. We can do one more question. Okay, question number 2. Find P2. Find the second approximation of the solution of the equation len of x plus 2. Okay, len of x plus 2 equal to x by Newton's method by choosing P0 equal to 1. Use 3 digits rounding. P0 equal to 1 and use 3 digits rounding. Okay, so what is the equation here? Equation is len of x plus 2 equals x. Correct? Len of x plus 2 equal to x. Now first we are writing like an equation form. Len of x plus 2 plus x take to left side minus x equal to 0. Okay, right side, make sure the right side should be 0. Then this value we are calling f of x value. Okay, so what will be f of x in our question? F of x equal to len of x plus 2 minus x. Okay, right side should be 0, then only it will come like f of x equal to 0. Okay, right side should be 0. So we will get f of x equal to len of x plus 2 minus x. Okay, now just to find what is the derivative of this one, f dash of x. F dash of x equal to, what is the derivative? Len of x plus 2, what is the derivative? Just now we written the rule, len derivative is 1 over x, correct? So what is the derivative len of x plus 2? 1 over x plus 2. okay, minus x derivative is 1, minus x derivative is 1 over x plus 2 minus 1. I hope you understood the first part, okay, f of x and f dash of x. Now P0 number is 1, correct? Now we need to go to P2, find P2, first find P1, then we are finding what is the P2 number. So we will go to that. So starting with the P0 number, P0 number is 1 here, correct? Now first find what is P1, write the rule, P1 means P0 minus f of P0 divided by f dash value at P0 number, okay? After that we need to calculate what is P2. P2 means P1 minus f of P1 divided by f dash of P1, okay? So one by one we will calculate here. So first we are going to do what is f of P0 and what is f dash of P0, correct? So we will do separately that one. What is f of P0 first, then f dash of P0 number, correct? What is f here in our question? F of x means len of x plus 2 minus x, correct? So I am writing here len of x plus 2 minus x. What is f dash of x in our question? 1 over x plus 2 minus 1, correct? Now we are applying the numbers and calculate the values. So first f of P0. P0 number replaced by x. P0 number is what here? 1, correct? So len of x means P0 number, that is 1 plus 2 minus x means again 1. Now take 3 digits rounding in our calculation. It is given here 3 digits rounding. So first calculate what is the value of len of 1 plus 3. You can check your calculator. Len of 1 plus 3 means 1.10 by rounding, okay, 1.10 minus 1, same, so that you will get equal to 0.10, 0.10, separately 3 digits rounding, okay. Now same way in the second part also, just replace x by P0 number, f dash of P0. So 1 over x number is 1 because P0 number is 1 plus 2 minus 1. Check separately 3 digits rounding. What is the number? First 1 over 1 plus 2. Okay. 3 digits rounding is 0.333. Then this minus 1 same. So when we are calculating, you will get minus 0.667. F dash of P0 equal to minus 0.667. Now we can apply here P0 number 1 minus f of P0 number 0.10 divided by f dash P0 number minus 0.667. Correct? Again by 3 digits rounding we can calculate this one number same minus this number by using 3 digits rounding. Okay, we will get minus 0.150, 3 digits rounding. Okay, now after that we are writing what is the total value. P1 value equals 1.15. I hope you got. Okay, all these steps rounding very careful because it is 3 digits rounding this question. Okay, 1.15. Now we need to go to calculate P2 number. P2 equals P1 minus f of P1 divided by f dash of P1. Correct? So we are calculating what is f of P1 separately and what is f dash of P1 separately we are calculating. Correct? Now f of P1, what is f here? Len of x plus 2 minus x. This is f of x. Correct? Now instead of x we need to replace P1 number. P1. What is P1 number? 1.15. So len of 1.15 plus 2 minus x number again 1.15 because P1 number. Okay, so this question, what is the important thing is that calculation, anything wrong in the first part, second part also it will go wrong. So we need to be very careful in the rounding. Now again calculate this value separately, 3 digits rounding. What is this value and this one separately, so that you will get len of 1.15 plus 2. You will get from the calculator 1.15 minus second 1.15 same, so that you will get 0 here. Okay, equal to 0. Now we are going to calculate f dash of P1. F dash means what is the derivative? 1 over x plus 2 minus 1. Correct. Now instead of x we are writing P1 number. So 1 over 1.15 plus 2 minus 1. Okay, hope you understood. Now this one, check 3 digits rounding, minus 1 separately. So we will get equals 1 over 1.15 plus 2 means 0.317 minus 1, so that you are getting minus 0.683. Correct. Now apply here. So P2 equals P1. P1 means 1.15 minus f of P1, just now we got 0, divided by f dash P1 we got minus 0.683. Correct. Again we are calculating this value, 3 digits rounding, this one separate. So what happened here? Equals 1.15 minus 0 divided by minus 0.683 means it is 0. Correct. 0 divided by. So what will be the answer getting? Same 1.15 using 3 digits rounding. Correct. Using 3 digits rounding we are getting the same number here. Correct. So why same number both cases? P1 also 1.15, P2 also 1.15 means, okay, the loop is rotating. Correct. As I told you before, P1 you will get 1.15, P2 also same 1.15, P3 also same 1. That means that loop exit. Correct. Loop already exit. We got the answer 1.15. That is the solution. 1.15 is the solution of the equation. I hope you understood this question, how it is doing by using Newton's method. So this question, we have one equation here. Correct. We have one equation. In this equation we substituted the input number P0 equal to 1, input number. Correct. After that we are going to calculate what is P1, P0 minus f of P0 divided by f dash of P0, this rule. Correct. Now what we did, P1 number we are calculated. Correct. P1 number we are calculated. So P1 number, when it is calculated, we are getting P1 equal to 1.15. Okay. Then again the loop is rotating. It is going to calculate the P2 number. P2 also same number we got. Correct. That means our desired accuracy we got, the solution in the desired accuracy. Same number getting means immediately the loop will exit and it is showing what is the solution. Solution of that equation is x equal to 1.15. Correct. X equal to 1.15. How many steps it is taken? Within 2 steps itself the computer is getting what is the solution of that equation, x equal to 1.15. Okay, I hope you understood that question. Now we will go to the third question. Find root 5. Okay, find the value of cube root 5 using Newton's method in 2 steps. Okay, so in 2 steps means meaning is calculate what is P1 and calculate what is P2. Find P1 and P2, that is the meaning, 2 steps. Find cube root of 5. Only one number is given. Correct. We are not given equation. F of x is not given. P0 number is not given. And f dash we need to calculate. Then only we can go to P1 and P2. Correct. So if you are getting a question like this, what we will do now? Whatever the number given in the question, take it as x. x equal to cube root of 5. Cube root of 5, correct? You know what is the meaning of cube root? Cube root means what is the power it will come? Cube root of 5 means 5 power, how much it is? 5 power 1 over 3, correct? Root means what is the meaning? Root means 5 power half, correct? 1 over 2. Cube root means power 1 over 3. Same like it is continuing. Fourth root of 5 means 5 power 1 over 4. Like that it is continuing. Okay, so keep in your mind, root means power half, cube root means 1 over 3, fourth root 1 over 4. Like that it is going. Now, so whatever the number given in the question, take it as x. X equal to cube root of 5. Now, for calculation simplicity purpose, delete this cube root. How we are deleting cube root? Take all power 3, correct, on both sides. So, x power 3 equals cube root of 5 all power 3. Just to take power 3 on both sides. Why we are taking power 3? That is for removing cube root symbol, correct? Removing cube root symbol. So, what we will get answer? X power 3 equals this cube root and power 3 will cancel 5. Now, 5 take together to the left side. So, x power 3 minus 5 equal to 0. So, we will get the equation now. X power 3 minus 5 equal to 0. So, what will be f of x there? F of x equal to whatever the left side, that is f of x. Right side should be 0, correct? So, x power 3 minus 5. X power 3 minus 5 is f of x. Okay. Now, from this you can calculate what is f dash of x. What is f dash of x? F dash of x equal to x power 3 derivative 3x power 2. 5 derivative 0 because it is a number. Okay. So, 3x power 2. So, we will get the f dash value also. Now, for calculating P1 and P2, okay, we need to know what is the input number, P0 number, correct? So, to take the input number, P0 number, if you want to take, what is the number in our question? Cube root of 5, correct? This is the number, cube root of 5. Cube root of 5 means, you can check the calculator. What is the number? 1.709975947. This is the cube root of 5 number. Now, you can take 1.7 as the P0 number, or if you want little simplicity in calculation, easy calculation, just think about the before number and after number. After 1.7 number is 2. Before 1.7 means number is 1, correct? So, this is before number, after number, we can write here. So, this is the after number, this is before number. So, which is the close to that cube root 5? 2 is close, correct? 2 is close to this number, close number, okay, near number. 2 is close to the 1.7 number. So, we can take 2 as the P0 number for easy calculation, okay. So, you can take P0 as cube root 1.7 itself, no problem, or 2 or 1 we can choose. So, here for easy purpose, we are taking P0 equal to 2 as the input number, okay, initial approximation number, P0 equal to 2. Okay, now we are going to do the calculation. What is P1 and what is P2? Okay, so start with P0. P0 we are taken 2. So first we are calculating what is P1. What is the rule? P0 minus f of P0 divided by f dash of P0 divided by f dash of P0. After that, we need to calculate what is P2. P2 means P1 minus f of P1 divided by f dash value at P1 number, correct? F dash of P1. So, first we are calculating what is P1. P0 minus f of P0 divided by f dash of P0. So, as I told you, first we need to check what is f of P0 separately and f dash of P0 separately, correct? Same like here also, f of P1 separately and f dash of P1 separately, okay? So, first we are doing f of P0. What is f of x here? X power 3 minus 5, correct? X power 3 minus 5. Now, x number replaced by p0 because f of p0. What is p0 number? 2. So, 2 power 3 minus 5. Separately 3 digits rounding. Calculation, it is given 3 digits rounding. Okay. So, 2 power 3, 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 means number 3. You can check by calculator that idea. Now, f dash of p0. What is derivative here? 3x power 2. Correct. Now, instead of x, we need to replace p0 number. So, 3 multiply, what is p0? 2. Power 2. Correct. Now, check the calculation separately 3 digits rounding equals 3 same. First check what is 2 power 2, that is 4. Then 3 multiply 4, that is 12. Okay, equal to 12. Now I am applying here. So P1 equals P0 number is 2 minus f of P0 number is 3 divide f dash of P0 number is 12. Calculate 3 digits rounding equals 2 minus 3 over 12 means 0.25. 0.25. So what will get the answer? P1 1.75 is the first approximation of the solution. P1 equal to 1.75. Now we are going to calculate P2 now. P2 equal to P1 minus f of P1 divided by f dash of P1. Correct. Now equal to, what is the P1 number here? 1.75. So first we are calculating f of P1 and f dash of P1 separately. What is f of P1? F of x means x power 3 minus 5. Now instead of x, replace P1. P1 is 1.75 power 3 minus 5. This calculation careful because we need 3 digits rounding. So first 1.75 power 3 digits rounding, 5 separate. So 1.75 power 3 means 5.36 using 3 digits rounding minus 5 equals 0.36. Now f dash of P1, correct? F dash of P1 means f dash of x means 3x power 2. That means 3 multiply, instead of x apply P1 number. What is P1 number? 1.75 power 2. Now calculate. Okay. So equal 3 multiply. First check what is 1.75 whole power 2 using 3 digits rounding. You will get 3.06. 3.06. After that multiply 3 multiply 3.06, 9.18. Okay. Now apply here P1 P2 equals P1 number 1.75 minus f of P1 means 0.36 divide f dash of P1 means 9.18. So we will get 1.75 minus, okay, calculate this one using 3 digits rounding, so that we will get 0.0392. First 0 it will not count. Initially both zeros it will not count. So first digit is 3, second digit is 9, third digit is 2. Okay, rounding. So what will be the answer getting? 1.71. Okay, this number we are calling the approximate solution or P star value. P star equal to 1.71. I hope you understood this question. Okay, how to do this question. I hope it is clear. Okay, now we will go to the next question. Find 17 power 1 over 3. Okay, find 17 power 1 over 3 using Newton's method in 2 steps. Same model question. In 2 steps, find P1 and P2 with P0 number already given 2.5. P0 number is 2.5. So we will do this calculation also. So start with the number, whatever the number given in the question, x equal to 17 power 1 over 3. Correct? 17 power 1 over 3. Now as I told you, first we need to remove this power 1 over 3. So taking power 3, x power 3 equals 17 power 1 over 3 all power 3 for removing that power 1 by 3. Okay, so you will get x power 3 minus 1 over 3 and 3 will cancel, 17, x power 3 equal to 17. That means x power 3 minus 17 equal to 0. Okay, taking to the left side. So what will be our f of x? F of x equal to, from this the left side, x power 3 minus 17. So what will be the derivative? F dash of x equal to 3x power 2. 17 derivative is 0. Correct? This is almost same as the previous question. So I am doing little fast. Okay, P0 number is 2.5. Okay, now we are going to do the calculation. P0 number already given. It is 2.5. I can write. Now calculate what is P1. P1 means P0 minus f value at P0 divide f dash value at P0 number. Correct? Same way, what is P2 we need to calculate. P1 minus f value at P1 divide f dash value at P1 number. Correct? So we will do one by one. So first we are doing f of P0 separately. F of P0 means already here f of x, x power 3 minus 17. X power 3 minus 17. Now what we need to x number? X number is P0 number 2.5 power 3 minus 17. Correct? Now 2.5 power 3 using 3-digit rounding. We need to calculate 2.5 power 3 separately 3 digits rounding equals 15.6. Okay, minus 17. Correct? So what will be the answer? 15.6 minus 17 minus 1.4. Minus 1.4. Okay. Now f dash of P0. What is f dash of P0? What is f dash of x? 3x power 2. Correct? That means 3 multiply. What will be the x number? P0 number. 2.5 power 2. That means 3 multiply. Check what is the number? 2.5 power 2 separately. So 6.25. I hope you are getting. Now multiply this. 3 multiply 6.25. Correct? You will get 18.75. But we need only 3 digits rounding number. So 18.8. Now apply here. So P1 equal, P0 number is 2.5 minus f of P0 is minus 1.4 divide f dash P0 is 18.8. So equals 2.5 minus, okay, we can check this number, minus 1.4 divide 18.8. Correct? That number is minus 0.0, this 0 it will not count, 745 rounding. Okay, it is rounding. So we can check 2.5 minus minus means it is plus 0.0745. So you will get equals 2.57. This is the first approximation, 2.57. Well, now we will go to the second approximation, P2. P2 means P1 minus f of P1 divided by f dash of P1. So first we are checking what is f of P1 separately. F of x means x power 3 minus 17. Now x number we need to replace with P1 number. P1 number is 2.57 power 3 minus 17. What is 2.57 power 3? You can check by calculator. It is 16.9 16 point, see it is coming like I will show to the side, 16.97, correct. We need only 3 digit, so 16.9, but rounding we need to add 1 here, so 9 plus 1 0, 10 1 here, 6 plus 1 7, 1 same, so what will be the answer? 17. Okay, so we can write here 17 minus 17, so what will be the answer? Equal to 0. Okay, so make sure the rounding correctly. 2.57 power 3 means 16.97, 3 digit rounding is 17. 17 minus 7, it is 0. Now we are calculating what is f dash of p1 equals, f dash of x means 3x power 2, correct. So 3 multiply what is x number? 2.57 power 2. That means 3 multiply, check what is 2.57 power 2. It is 6.60, correct. 3 digits rounding, 6.60. So 3 multiply 6.60 means it is 19.8. Okay, so when we are applying P1 number 2.57 minus f of P1 number 0 divide f dash of P1 19.8. So what will get the answer? 2.57. So here also, if you are taking 3 digits rounding, our solution is 2.57 because both are same, P1 number and P2 number, both are getting same number. So that is the exact solution by 3 digits rounding, 2.57. I hope you clear this question. We will go to the next now. Question number 5. Draw the steps. Draw the steps for finding P2. Okay. So in this graph, you need to draw how we are getting P1, how we are getting P2. We need to draw the steps. Okay, that is the question. Draw the steps for finding P2. Okay, so we will do one by one. Actually, I explained in the beginning how we are finding P1 and P2, correct. A rough figure I can show here. It is only a rough figure. By software we can do. This is this picture by GeoGebra, this software. Same like we can do, you can use the software and you can calculate what is P1 and P2 by graphically. So P0 number, see given in the question. Start from P0. P0 number mark on the graph first. It will come here. Okay, P0 number. After that what you do is draw a tangent line passing through this point. Draw a tangent line passing through the point P0. Okay, I am not highlighting the number here because I am just drawing roughly here. Okay, so the number is coming like this. So wherever it is touching x-axis, this number is P1. Okay, this is only for procedure, number is not correct. So P1 is coming here. This is the first approximation, location. Draw the location for P2, that is the question. So P1 we got. Draw a tangent line passing through the point P0, mark the point P1. Now P1 number again mark on the graph. See this number P1, just mark on the graph here. After that draw a tangent line passing through that point like this. Wherever it is touching x-axis, that is the P2, second approximation. So these two are we need to mark here. Where is P1? Where is P2? The location. Okay, so P1 is here, P2 is here. Okay, so the exact location, if you want to mark, we need to use some software. Okay, correctly we can draw and we can find what is P1 and what is the P2 number. This is an approximate idea. Okay, how we will get that one. Hope you understood this one, P1 and P2. Okay, now before going to the next question, see these two questions we did in cube root, all power 1 by 3, correct? See cube root of 5 and after that we did cube root of 17 like that, correct? Now that same question, if you are getting root, for example, if you are getting root, okay, for example root 7, how we will make that equation? As I told you, first take this number as x, correct? This is some example I am writing, x equal to root 7. Then what I told, remove root, correct? remove the root sign. So x power 2 equals root 7 power 2. Root removing means we need to do squaring, correct? So what we will get, x power 2 equals root and square will cancel, only 7. Take together to the left side, x power 2 minus 7 equal to 0. See, so here what is the f of x getting? This is f of x. F of x means x power 2 minus 7. Okay, so depends on the question, you can do the ideas. Okay, I hope you are clear that one. Now we will go to the next question. Question number 6. Question number 6. What is the question? Let y equal to f of x be a function such that f dash of 3 equal to 9.52. Okay, f dash of 3 equal to 9.52. I am writing on this side, f dash of 3 equals 9.52. Now, if the first approximation, that means P1, by Newton's method to find the solution of an equation f of x equal to 0 is, P1 number is given, P1 equal to 2.52. With initial approximation, P0 number, what is P0? Equal to 3. Find what is the value of f of P0? F of P0 value equal to how much? This is the question. Okay. So to do this question, just write the rule in Newton's method. What is the rule for P1? P1 equals P0 minus f of P0 divided by f dash value at P0, correct? F dash value at P0. Now think about what are the numbers given in the question. P1, it is already given here. What is P1? 2.52, correct? P0 already given here. What is the number? 3. P0 is 3. F of P0 we don't know, we need to find that one, correct? That is what our question, f of P0. But f dash at P0 is given. What is f dash at P0? 9.52. F dash P0. P0 means number 3. See that bracketed number is P0 number. You can see it is here already. P0 is 3. Correct? So f dash of 3 means f dash of P0 equal to 9.52. So we can apply whatever the number given, so that you will get what is f of P0. Okay. So we will do here. First P1 number 2.52 equals P0 number 3 minus f of P0 number, we need to find f of P0, divide f dash P0 number 9.52, correct? Now what we will do for simplification, up to you. This 3 first to take to the left side, 3 number. So 2.52 minus 3 plus 3 coming to the left, minus 3 equal, right side what is balance? Minus f of P0 divide 9.52. Okay. Now 2.52 minus 3, use 3 digits rounding. What will be the number? Minus 0.48 equals minus f of P0 divided by 9.52, correct? Now this minus sign we can cancel both sides, here minus, it will cancel, correct? Now this 9.52 cross multiply here, you will get what is f of P0, correct? So f of P0 equal 9.52 multiply 0.48, okay? 9.52 divide 9.52 multiply 0.48. What will be the number? 4.57. Use 3 digits rounding, you will get 4.57. So that is the answer here. We need to calculate what is f of P0. I hope you understood that one, correct? Okay. Now we will go to the next question. Some theoretical question now we are doing. Question number 7. Using Newton's method, root n, root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8, like that. Okay, root n. Capital N means it is a number. Okay, root n is given by Pn plus 1 equal to half into Pn plus n over Pn. So what we need to do here using the Newton's method, show that root n, this is the number root n, x equal to root n. You remember we did before same model question, same idea. X equal to root n. Okay. When we are calculating P1, P2, P3 like this. Okay. P1 you can calculate, P2, P3 like that, Pn calculate, or Pn plus 1. When we are calculating Pn plus 1, what answer you will get? This answer, half into Pn plus n over Pn. That is what we need to do. When we are calculating Pn plus 1, you will get the answer half into Pn plus n over Pn. We need to show this one. You are getting this or not? That is the question. So calculate Pn plus 1, check you are getting this answer or not. Okay, check you are getting half into Pn plus n over Pn, we are getting or not. This is what our question we need to do. Okay, here the problem is that numbers are not given. Capital N, see n, we don't know what is that number. Okay, so without number we need to calculate this one. So what we do, start with the number x equal to root n. As I told you, first you need to remove that root side. Okay, remove the root side for calculation purpose. So x power 2 equals root capital N power 2. Okay, so you can cancel this root and square. So what we will get the equation, x power 2 equals capital N. If you are taking together, x power 2 minus capital N equal to 0. X power 2 minus n equal to 0. So that you can write what is our f of x. What is f of x? F of x equal to x power 2 minus n. Correct? Now, just calculate what is f dash of x also. What is f dash of x? Derivative, x power 2 derivative 2x. Capital N is a number. Number derivative is 0. Okay, n derivative is 0. Okay, so initial things we got, f of x we got, f dash of x we got. Okay, now we need to calculate what is Pn plus 1, that is the question. Okay, Pn plus 1, remember this order, P1, first P0, initial approximation, P1, P2, P3, Pn plus 1, correct? P2 before number is P1, P3 before number is P2, Pn plus 1 before number is Pn. Okay, we need to calculate what is Pn plus 1, that is the question. Pn plus 1 equal to how much? You will get this one, same thing, half into Pn plus n over Pn. So just start with Pn plus 1 equal. How can we write the rule, students? Pn plus 1, Pn plus 1. Pn plus 1 before number. What is Pn plus 1 before number? Pn plus 1 minus 1, correct? So what will be that one? Pn. So Pn is the before number. So how to write the rule? Pn plus 1 equal Pn minus f value at Pn number divided by f dash value at Pn number. I hope you understood how we are written that rule, correct? For example, if you want P4, how we are writing the rule P4? First before number, P4 before number is P3 minus f value at same P3 divide f dash value at P3, correct? Same idea here. If you want Pn plus 1, before number is Pn. So Pn minus f value at Pn divided by f dash value at Pn number. Now, as usual, just to check what is this f of Pn, what is f dash of Pn separately. Okay, so that you can do simplification easily. So first f of Pn, what is f of x? Here we got f of x, x power 2 minus capital N, correct? X power 2 minus capital N, that is f of x. Now, what is the meaning f of Pn? Instead of x, we need to replace Pn, correct? So how can we write this one? X means Pn square, same, minus capital N, same. I hope you understood. X number replace Pn. So f of Pn equal Pn power 2 x square Pn square minus n. Same way we need to check what is f dash Pn. F dash of Pn. What is f dash of x? 2x. Correct? So what will be f dash of Pn? X means we need to replace by Pn. Correct? So how can we write? 2 multiply x means Pn. Correct? I hope you understood. 2 multiply Pn. Now apply here. So Pn plus 1 equals Pn minus f of Pn means Pn power 2 minus n divide f dash Pn means 2 times Pn. This one should be in bracket because minus common outside. So Pn square minus n. Now next step what we will do? We need to distribute this minus sign into the bracket. Minus of first term, minus of second term. Same time the down term we need to distribute also, divide also. So how can we write this one? Pn minus multiply Pn square minus Pn square. Correct? Minus multiply minus n plus n. Both the term we need to divide by the down term. So here divide by 2Pn. Here also divide by 2Pn because this down term is common, 2Pn. Same divide by first term divided by the second term. Okay. Now think about any term we can cancel in the second, especially the second term. Here any term we can cancel here. You can think what is the meaning Pn power 2? Pn power 2 means Pn square means Pn multiply Pn. That is the meaning Pn square. Divided by 2Pn means 2 multiply Pn. Correct? So what term we can cancel there? 1Pn, both the term we can cancel up and down. Correct? So 1Pn I am cancelled here up and down. You can see on this side the simplification. So we will get Pn minus one more Pn on the top side divided by 2 plus capital N divided by 2 times Pn. Hope you understood that step. Correct? Now again we are going to simplify from the first two terms. What we can take common? We can take Pn common. Correct? Pn. What will be the balance? Write on the bracket. What will be the balance? First term 1 balance because Pn means 1 multiply Pn. Correct? So 1 minus second term what is the balance? 1 over 2 balance, half. Okay, first term don't forget 1 balance because 1 multiply Pn. Because when we are expanding this bracket, same time you will get 1 multiply Pn, half multiply Pn over 2 plus n over 2Pn. Okay, now again we are writing equal Pn multiply 1 minus half means it is half. Correct? 1 minus half plus n over 2 times Pn. I hope all of you understood up to this step. Now always keep in our mind what is our aim actually. Pn plus 1, what answer we need to get? We need to get this answer. This is what our aim, half into Pn plus n over Pn. Correct? That is why we are doing this simplification like this. Okay. Now again from this you can think these two. Which term we can take it common? You can think about. From first term this and second term this. Which term we can take it common outside? What is common? Here 1 over 2 is there. Here also 1 over 2 is there. That we can take it outside. Because our answer is like that. See, half into Pn plus n over Pn. Half is common. That is why we are taken half common. Pn we cannot take common because Pn here on the top side, here on the down side. First term on the top, second term on the down side. So half only we can take common. Half multiply. What is the balance in the first term? Pn. Correct? Plus second term what is the balance? Capital N divide Pn because half already we are taken outside. This is what our answer. See, half into Pn plus n divided by Pn. You can see half into Pn plus n over Pn. So this is what our Pn plus 1. Okay, this is what we need to do in this question. Pn plus 1 value equal to how much? Pn plus value should be half into Pn plus n over Pn. We need to check that correct or not. Show that. Okay, that is the question here we need to do. I hope you understood that step. We will go to the next one. Same model 1 question we will do. Apply Newton's method to the equation x power 3 plus 2 equal to 0. That means, what is f of x? X power 3 plus 2. Okay. What will be f dash of x? F dash of x equals 3x power 2. Correct? 2 derivative is 0. Show that. What we need to show that? Pn plus 1 equal to, what will be the value? 2 over 3 multiply Pn minus 1 over Pn. Use 3 digits rounding. So, we need to calculate what is Pn plus 1. Correct? Should be this one, Pn plus 1. You will get this answer. 2 over 3 multiply Pn minus 1 over Pn. That means, just to calculate what is the left hand side value. You should get this right hand side. That is the meaning of show that. Okay. So, we will start from here Pn plus 1. Same model in the previous question. Pn plus 1 equal. What was the rule I told? Pn plus 1 before number is Pn minus f value at Pn divide f dash value at Pn. Correct? Now, we need to calculate what is f of Pn separately, f of Pn, and what is f dash of Pn separately. Correct? What is f of x here? X power 3 plus 2. X power 3 plus 2. So, what will be f of Pn? Instead of x, you need to write Pn. Correct? So, x power 3 means Pn power 3 plus 2. Correct? Now, f dash Pn. How we are writing f dash? F dash x means 3x power 2. Now, instead of x, we need to write Pn. Replace x by Pn. So, 3 multiply Pn power 2. Correct? Substitute here. So, Pn plus 1 equals Pn. What is Pn? We don't know. Pn minus f of Pn. Pn power 3 plus 2 divide f dash Pn means 3 Pn power 2. But make sure should be bracket here because that minus is common. Now, as we did the previous question, same idea. Minus we will distribute to the bracket. Same time divided by 3 Pn square. So, we can write equal Pn minus multiply Pn power 3 minus Pn power 3 minus multiply 2 minus 2 divide both term by the down term 3 Pn square divided by here also 3 Pn square. Now, simplify. This term you can simplify, cancel common term, correct? Equals Pn minus, what is the meaning? Pn power 3 means Pn multiply Pn multiply Pn. Divide 3 Pn square, correct? What is the meaning of that one? 3 multiply Pn multiply Pn, correct? So, what time we can cancel the Pn square we can cancel. So, what will be balance? Balance is Pn divided by 3, okay, minus 2 divided by 3 Pn power 2. 2 divided by 3 Pn power 2. Now, from the first two terms, we can take Pn common, correct? So, we can write Pn multiply, what will be balance? 1 minus 1 over 3. Last term same, 2 divided by 3 Pn power 2. So, equal Pn multiply 1 minus 1 over 3. You can check by calculator. 1 minus 1 over 3 means 2 over 3 minus 2 over 3 Pn power 2. Correct? Now think about our question, what answer we needed. See what answer we needed. 2 over 3 should be common. 2 over 3 multiply Pn minus 1 over Pn. Correct? 2 over 3 multiply Pn minus 1 over Pn. So how can we write this one? Equals, okay, Pn I am taking, sorry, 2 over 3 I am taking common from here. 2 over 3 multiply, what will be balance? First term Pn balance minus second term 2 over 3 already we are taken outside, 2 over 3, correct? So what will be balance? 1 over Pn power 2. This is the Pn plus 1 value. That is what our question. Here small mistake is there in that question. Here it is Pn power 3. I forgot to tell in the beginning. Pn power 2, not 3. Pn power 2. Okay, so that is the answer. So 2 over 3 multiply Pn minus 1 over Pn power 2. So this is what our answer. 2 over 3 multiply Pn minus 1 over Pn power 2. So this is what the question in the this type of question, theory part question. Okay. Now one more question we will do, same model. Question number 9. It is little bit easy. What is the question? If the n plus 1th approximation of the solution of the equation f of x equal to 0 by Newton's method is Pn plus 1 equal to, what is given? Pn plus 1, I am writing here, Pn plus 1 equals 6 times Pn minus Pn power 3, okay, divided by 4. Okay, Pn plus 1 equal, already given. Pn plus 1 equals 6 times Pn minus Pn power 3 divided by 4. What is the question? Find the value of P1 minus P2. P1 minus P2, sorry, P2 minus P1. P2 minus P1 equal to how much? This is the question. P0 number is given. P0 number is 2. P0 number is 2. What is the value of P2 minus P1? Using 3 digits rounding. So what you do now, this type of question if you are getting, it is easy. First calculate what is P1 and P2. Then you can calculate what is P2 minus P1. For example, see, Pn plus 1 is this. What is P0 number is given? 2, correct? So I am writing here P0 number is 2. P0 number is 2. Now think about this one. Okay, Pn plus 1 equals 6 multiply Pn minus Pn power 3 divided by 4. Now first we calculate what is P1. If you want to get P1, what you will do here? N Pn plus 1, correct? N you need to give 0. Then only 0 plus 1, P1 you will get it. Getting? So if you put n equal to 0, you will get P1. Okay? If you put n equal to 1, you will get what is Pn plus 1. Correct? N plus 1 means 1 plus 1. That means what you got? P2. This is the idea we need to do. Okay? So first in this equation, this one, okay, in this relation, put n equal to 0. N equal to 0. First we are substituting n equal to 0. So how can we write that one? P n is 0. 0 plus 1 equals 6 times Pn means 0 minus Pn means 0 power 3 divide 4. Correct? So P1 equal to 0 plus 1 means P1 equal to 6 times P0 number, you know what is P0 number? 2 minus P0 number is 2 power 3 divide 4. correct? You can check by calculator. 6 multiplied to 12 minus 2 power 3 8, correct? 2 power 3 is 8 divided by 4. 12 minus 8, that means 4. 4 divided by 4 means it is 1. So P1 number we got, it is 1. P1 number is 1. I hope it is clear to you. Now same equation, you just substitute n equal to 1. You will get P2. Okay. So n equal to 1 means P1 plus 1, n plus 1, n is 1, P1 plus 1 equal 6 time. Pn means 1, so P1 minus Pn means P1 power 3 divide 4, correct? So P1 plus 1 means P2 equals 6 multiply P1. What is P1? Just before we got 1 minus P1 is 1 power 3 divide 4. You can check by calculator. 6 multiply 1, 6 minus 1 divided by 4. 6 minus 1 means 5. 5 divided by 4 means 1.25. Correct? 1.25. 1.25. Now we will go to our answer. So we go to P1, we go to P2. Correct? P0 already we have. So now we are going to answer our question. What is our question? P2 minus P1 equal to how much? P2 minus P1 equal to, what is the P2 number we got here? 1.25, correct? 1.25 minus P1 number is also we got 1. So 1.25 minus 1, what will be the number? 0.25. So answer I wrote here. These numbers you can check the next slide. Okay, 1.25 and 1, P2 minus P1 equals 0.25. So this is the answer of this question. So last, this theory question, little careful because it is not by calculator, it is by manually we are doing. All other question it is practical questions like a calculator, but theory question it will need practice more. So this is the idea from this section 2.2 Newton's method. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for getting more recorded classes. So thank you very much.